Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. How to make calabacitas a la mexicana, zucchini Mexican way, that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing recipe of zucchini with veggies, these are the ingredients: pink Himalaya salt, black pepper, cumin, corn, you could buy it frozen or if you have fresh, 2 zucchinis, 2 tomatoes, half an onion, 1 jalapeno optional, 3 garlic cloves, and of course we're gonna top it with queso fresco. This is a delicious and amazing recipe, so let's get started. I want to start by preparing all my veggies. First, I'm going to start with the garlic cloves. I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to smash to wake up those amazing flavors of the garlic. Once they are nice and diced, then we are going to put it aside. I'm going to continue with half an onion. Yes, you only need half an onion. I'm going to slice it and then cube it. It doesn't need to be very fine cubed, just cube it. Put it aside and continue with my tomatoes. Slice them, cube them. And let me tell you, this recipe comes out delicious, healthy, amazing, that I know you guys are going to love. Once you have that done, we're going to continue with the zucchinis. You want to cut them in half and then slice them nice and thin. You know that the zucchini really cooks really fast, so you want to make sure that all the pieces of the zucchinis are almost the same size. So I'm going to start cubing the zucchini almost the same size of the onion, so that it really incorporates with the rest of the ingredients. Once this is done, let me put it aside and let me show you all the ingredients. Of course, I have corn, frozen kind, the diced garlic, the tomato, the onion, the zucchini. Let's go to the stove. On the stove, I have a pan getting nice and hot. And now I'm ready to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to add the garlic. Once the garlic starts releasing the aroma, add your onion, because the garlic could really burn very easily. I'm adding the onion. I'm going to incorporate it really good. For 2 minutes, I'm going to move it around, and then I'm ready to add the tomato. Once you add your tomato, lower the heat to medium heat, and then just mix it. Incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. Once it's nice and incorporated, you're going to start adding your spices. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm adding salt. I'm adding cumin. And of course, we are going to incorporate all these amazing spices. Don't forget to add the black pepper. I'm going to incorporate everything really good. Remember that we are cooking everything in medium heat. Once you incorporate your spices, cover it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you could add your corn, so that you could start cooking the corn slowly. Add your corn, incorporate it really good, and now we're going to cover it for another 4 minutes so that the corn gets nice and cooked. While the corn is cooking, I have one jalapeno that I'm going to slice in slices, and then I'm going to cube it and very small. Remember, I really love spicy food. One jalapeno, it's not gonna make this really spicy. I'm using one jalapeno only. This is optional. Look at this, okay? Now I'm ready to uncover at the jalapeno. Incorporate the jalapeno with the rest of the ingredients. Don't forget that this is the best time to taste all these ingredients, just in case you need to add a little more salt to it. So once you incorporate your jalapeno, taste it. If the taste is delicious, then you don't need to add anything else. I am going to go ahead, mix it around, making sure that the jalapeno really coats and release the flavor. And now I'm ready to taste it. Let's see how this is. This is just perfect. Now I am ready to add the zucchini. Once you add your zucchini, do not overcook. Add the zucchini, incorporate it really good into the corn, the tomato, the onion, the garlic. Incorporate it really good and cover it. Turn off the stove. You don't want to overcook your zucchini. You don't want it nice and soggy. You want the zucchini to be al dente. So once it's nice and covered with all those amazing flavors, cover it and turn off the stove. And you are ready to enjoy this delicious and amazing calabacitas a la mexicana. Leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed so you don't miss out on my amazing recipes. Of course, I'm adding here for the presentation plate, I'm adding enough of the calabacitas, of the zucchinis, and I am going to top it off with Mexican cheese. Any kind of queso fresco you want to add right on the top, and you're ready to enjoy. My home smells amazing. Look at this from close up. How delicious this is. The zucchini is al dente. It's not soggy. It's not overcooked. It's just perfect. And now I am ready to prepare my plate. This could be a side dish that you could eat it just like that. You could top it off on taquitos. Enjoy it with some steamed rice. But I love enjoying it just like that. It's a really healthy and delicious recipe. Of course, a little bit of cheese on the top, and then I'm ready to enjoy. Can't wait to enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation. Don't forget, leave me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, with your relatives. Because only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done making this amazing recipe. Calabacitas a la mexicana. This is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting these delicious recipe. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The zucchini is still al dente. Just perfect. When you cook with love, everything comes out delicious. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing Mexican recipe. See you soon. Bye-bye.